Kit.
Hello kids, can you guess the animal by its sound? Listen carefully and let's have fun. What animal makes this sound? It's a dog. What animal makes this sound? It's a cat. What animal makes this sound? It's a cow. What animal makes this sound? It's a pig. What animal makes this sound? It's a crow. What animal makes this sound? It's a horse. What animal makes this sound? It's a sheep. What animal makes this sound? It's a snake. What animal makes this sound? It's a chicken. What animal makes this sound? It's a peacock. What animal makes this sound? It's a bird. What animal makes this sound? It's a lion. What animal makes this sound? It's an elephant. What animal makes this sound? It's a monkey. What animal makes this sound? It's a mosquito. What animal makes this sound? It's a wolf.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell.